Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab, and welcome to week 7 of our Index Card Art Challenge. Now, if you're not familiar with the series, this is where we take one small index card, or a large one, whatever size you have available, and we create a work of art using our own aesthetic and the supplies that we have on hand. Now, at the end of the 52 weeks, we should have a mini art collection of which we can either admire, display, exchange, or create additional art from. All right, so now this week's word prompt is the word no. Okay, no is defined as a negative answer or decision, as in voting. It's also described as not any. Okay. This is not rocket science. This word is like, we don't really have to go too deep. But one thing I will tell you is I wanted to sit for a second and figure out, what am I saying no to? Okay. What am I saying no to in my life, in this season of my life, I should say. And so that is where I started this week's index card from. Now, I will tell you, because I am behind by a week, I went on ahead and in the middle of the night put together my index card because life gets busy, So I went on ahead and created that. And so I'm going to do a project share this week. But moving forward, you'll typically get the process videos, okay? So for this week's word, I created this index card art. So we have the word no, all right? So let me just bring this to you. So what I did was, the word no for me in this season is me saying no to things that really are not for my good, okay? Now what I did was, this is a door that I have used in other, a digital kit. And so what I did was I enhanced the color, and I added a few more onto one 8.5 by 11 sheet, just so that I wouldn't be printing one door. Okay. And so while I did that, I thought to myself, I was actually contemplating that or the color purple. So what I did was I created a PDF, and I'm going to make it available on my Patreon channel. It will be free. It'll be a freebie for the public. If you're interested in it, click the link below and it'll take you over to my Patreon channel and you'll be able to download it from there. Okay, so I took the door, used my X-Acto blade, the whatever you want to call it, finger blade, and I carved around the edges, all right, and down the middle and at the bottom. And then I added this little, what I did here was I took the word no, popped it up on black cardstock, as you can see here, and it's on top of cardboard. So if we look here, you'll see there is a little bit of this mixed media powder. I don't use it very often. Let's see if I can get that in focus. Okay, so this is by Ranger. Yeah, by Ranger. Okay, so then I took that, and you got to heat emboss it, obviously. Use a little brad to attach it to this door to create this little slide effect. Now, it doesn't do nothing to keep the door open or closed, but, just in the sense of opening and shutting things out, I put this here. It's symbolic of that. And then there's a little bit of gold rub on there, some book pages, some Tim Holtz Distress Oxide spray in the back, blue. I did a little stamping back here. Did a little stamping along the side. Book page, Tim Holtz spray. And on the inside, and then there's a little doily that I got from my good friend Tam of Bible Journaling on a Budget. I really love the way that this came out. This is a little crooked, but besides that, I think it's marvelous. There's a little bit of gold detailing along the side as well. It's always good to just pull out some of your supplies. Now on the inside is what I'm saying no to. I say no to conforming to others' ideas of who I should be. I say no to ignoring my divine design, who I know myself to be. A lot of times we allow others to make suggestions about what we can do and what we should do, but God made you in a way that you gravitate towards certain things. We're creative, so that obviously is one of the things that He's designed us to do. We're not, if you're not a carpenter, you don't need to twist yourself into a pretzel to become that. I also say no to making my well-being the last priority, not connecting with my Father daily, and anything that does not prosper me. What do you say no to? Drop it in the comments below. This wasn't very hard for me. It wasn't. I actually enjoyed this. Stay tuned for next week's. Well, yeah, actually later on in this week, we'll be going over mystery. That's the next word up. So stay tuned for that. And I hope that you guys are enjoying the series. And if you have the opportunity to play along, do so. You're welcome to share your photos in our Facebook group, the Maker Exchange. There's a link below in the description box to that as well. I will provide the PDF on the Patreon channel for those who would like a copy. I'll give you a snippet of it. I've already taken one out of it, but give me just a second. So this is what I will make available. As you can see, we're missing one of the doors. Okay, the doors are approximately 4.5 by 3 by 3. At the base, it's about 3. Now I will let you know that I am working on a kit, another digital kit, and this door is featured in it. I am a fan of architecture, so I've learned to lean into the things that I like, because quite frankly, if I like them, then there's other people that like them. I'm not a shabby chic type of girl. I can create in that aesthetic, but it isn't my true natural aesthetic. I like architecture. I like buildings and cars and travel themed things. I like vintage, but also like retro, so I'm just learning to lean a little bit more into that which I like, and to create and design around that. And those who fall into that tribe, they'll find me. They'll find me. So anyways, guys, I hope that you enjoyed that, and I want to thank you so much for watching. Now, if you have not already clicked the subscribe button because you're not already a subscriber, now's a great time. Okay, and for those who are returning subscribers, thanks so much for returning, for playing along, and for your constant support and feedback. And until we're back together here on YouTube and Patreon, my friends, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafty. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.